Hey guys, Darius here. Welcome back. Where are we headed the rest of 2023? Real estate market has been an interesting ride this last 6 months. So again, these videos are unscripted, unedited, come from a real person doing full-time real estate in today's market. So when you are watching other people's videos and they type something in the chat GPT and they put it on their screen and they read it from side to side. Their eyes go like this. You can see that, and they're reading a script. Don't listen to those guys. They really don't know the market. They're just giving you a script on video. Contact somebody who knows the real estate market. For example, I got an email from a lady that's looking to sell her house. She's been considering it for the last 3 months, and she wanted a list of foreclosures from me to look at for a possible replacement home nearby. You know what? The reason I chuckled when a client asked for a list of foreclosures is like, that is totally not the market today. Yeah, there are some foreclosures, but there are not enough foreclosures to choose from, and there are not homes that are being foreclosed making it to the courthouse steps to be foreclosed upon because homeowners have tremendous amounts of equity. So they can contact the realtor and sell their home very quickly and make a very good, tidy sum of money from their equity once it closes. Or they can contact a lender and refinance and not have a problem with foreclosure. So, there are tons of options for people today. That's why we're not seeing foreclosures. It's not like the market in the late 2000s where we had just a ton of inventory because people couldn't afford to pay their mortgages. Today's market, people have no problem of paying their mortgage. Sure, we have people losing their jobs, not in great mass quantities. And we have divorces, unfortunately. We have probate still happening. That goes on with any market. But I'm here to tell you guys, spring market, I just had a house sell in my neighborhood. This is about the $900,000 range for $30,000 above asking price. Yes, multiple offers are back here in Southern California. It's crazy. Does that sound like pandemic period? Yes. It's kind of a microclimate when you talk about the U.S. real estate market. It's got 50-50 split. 50% of it's going up in value, and the other 50% are decreasing slightly in value. So it all depends on what part of the market you're in the United States. Here in Southern California, real estate is doing very well in most zip codes. And again, if you need to know how your zip code's doing or the zip code you might be looking in to buy your future home, you can contact me and I can look that up for you easily. But I live in a particular hot area. There are areas around me that are less popular. So, multiple offers or just a couple offers at listing price is probably what it's selling for. I can tell you, not probably, but for sure, it's what's selling usually around list price. And in some areas that are not so popular, if the home needs a little work, a little cosmetic work, they're still selling, about 1% or 2% below listing price. So, it's a mixed market, and it is definitely a microclimate market. So, again, if you have any questions on today's real estate market, please reach out to me. I can inform you best. The problem that we're running into now is we just don't have any inventory. Homeowners are holding on to their low equity, the high equity and their low mortgage interest rates. They're not selling because, they're locked into 2.5, 3%, 3.5% mortgage interest rates. And now the rates, as you know, are around 6.5, 7%. So if they were to sell and they don't have enough equity to buy another house outright with cash, they would need a home mortgage on their new home. So if some of the people are just selling a house and moving out of state, which is fine, a lot of retirees are doing that. and they have the cash to do it. But if they move out of state, same situation. If they need to put a loan on the property, it's going to be 6.5%, 7%. So, what I tell sellers is, hey, if you need to move, move. If you don't, stay put. And that's what they're doing. What I tell buyers is, hey, if you need to buy, buy. You can always refinance when rates are coming down. The rates will be dropping later this year and into 2024. We're gonna see lower rates, probably around 5%, maybe even a little less by 2024. So rates are going to go down. So if you find the home that you like as a buyer, make the move. If it's right for you, you have the job security, and you need a home for sure for the family, go ahead and purchase it. You're not going to go wrong because prices are still going up at this point. As a seller, you'll know when it's time to sell. Obviously, if you need to discuss some things about possibly listing your home for the market or when's the best time for you in particular, please reach out to me. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a phone call, and we'll talk. All right. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great month. Have a great spring. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.